Hey everyone, let's talk about this. This is the Marshall MS-2 microamp. This is a product that's been around for a very long time. It feels like it's been around for about 30 years. It also feels like during that 30 years, the price has tripled on this product, while simultaneously the product has remained the same. Now, if this was an ornament, I think we could just give it a good review and call it a day. However, this is not an ornament. This is meant to be an actual practice amp, and when you actually try and play through it, that's when the problems begin. Now, much has been commented already on the internet about just how crappy this thing sounds. It really doesn't sound good. It certainly doesn't sound like a Marshall, unless the Marshall sound has been redefined as an aluminum bag full of bees. It does not sound good. Also, a lot has been commented on the internet already about the quality of this product. It seems a lot of people are having quality issues with it. And what I can tell you for a fact is that the build quality feels really cheap. This is an all plastic construction, and it is very, very light for its size. Now, it does come with an AC adapter. That's its power supply. So this unit does not contain any of the power supply components. That's one reason why it's light, but it actually feels pretty flimsy. I'm going to say something that I haven't heard a lot of people commenting on, and that is that if you actually try and play through this and you put it down on a solid flat surface, not like this mixer, but an actual flat surface, and try to plug into it, when you try and plug in the plug of your guitar cable, first of all, you got to hold this thing to do that because it's so light. Then, when you try and play through it, in my experience, the weight of the guitar cable and its plug will actually pull this thing off any flat surface that you put it on. So that's a real hindrance to playing through it and maneuvering around with it, which is kind of a deal breaker for me. Now, in my opinion, this product kind of exemplifies Marshall for the last 30 years, because it seems like they believe that just by slapping their name onto an inferior product and pricing that product really high, that will result in something that's both desirable and a hit. And it doesn't. This is not very good. Maybe 20 years ago, for a third of the price, this might have made sense. But in my opinion, after owning one for quite a while, in this day and age, no, there's a lot better alternatives out there. But those are just my thoughts. Let me know your thoughts. If you've played through one of these or you own one of these, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.